Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Medicare online. First, let's cover who is eligible. Generally, you can enroll if you are a United States citizen or legal resident for at least 5 years and are 65 years old or older. Some individuals with certain disabilities or end-stage renal disease may qualify earlier. It's important to check if you are automatically enrolled, which often happens if you already receive Social Security benefits. Gather your personal information and any relevant documents before you begin. Now, let's walk through the online application process. Head to the official Social Security Administration website. You'll need to create a My Social Security account if you don't already have one, or simply log in. This secure portal is where you'll manage your application. Carefully fill out each section, providing accurate details about your identity, work history, and any other requested information. Take your time to ensure everything is correct before moving forward. Once your basic application is underway, you'll choose your Medicare parts. Part A covers hospital insurance, while Part B covers medical insurance. Most people enroll in both. You can also explore Part C, known as Medicare Advantage, which combines A and B, often with extra benefits. Part D provides prescription drug coverage. Additionally, consider Medigap policies offered by private companies to help cover out-of-pocket costs not paid by original Medicare. Make choices that best fit your healthcare needs. Finally, it's time to submit your application. Before clicking that final button, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you've entered. Double-check for any typos or missing details, as accuracy is crucial. Once you are confident, submit your application electronically. You will receive a confirmation number. Please save this number in a safe place. It serves as proof of your submission and will be essential for tracking your application's status. Congratulations on taking this important step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.